In today's metals markets, let's take a look at gold futures as they're experiencing a bit more selling pressure today. Gold futures are trading lower for a third consecutive session, although today we're seeing the futures market down just slightly on the day at the 26.72 level, down about $3.50 on the day. So not quite as much selling as we did see in the previous sessions, but nonetheless down for a third consecutive day here. And driving factors today, a couple things influencing the markets, I think. Number one, dollar moderation after the dollar showed strength last week. And I think that was one of the headwinds for gold last week. Now the dollar, at least for today, is finding a little bit of moderation. So that's one of the reasons I think we're seeing a little bit less selling pressure in gold. Couple that with the anticipation of the data points this week and the Fed announcement in the middle of the week, as we have several data points highlighted by some data late in the week, PCE data. But the Fed announcement, all eyes will be on that. Expectations are the Fed's going to cut 25 basis points, so it'll be interesting to see how the market interprets that after that announcement. But nonetheless, I think that's why you're seeing, again, a little bit of hesitation here on the selling side, particularly when you look at the trends. We're now moving back towards that range that we established kind of in late November, early December, before having a nice move higher last week, before, and again, negating that. So last week we did see the futures market trade up to 27.57 intra-week before giving back 3% of that back down to this 26.72 level. So we're back in that range that we entered the month. Also, when you look at the price action across the metals markets today, some muted price action really across all the major ones. When you look at gold, silver, and platinum, all flatlining to up or down slightly. Platinum higher, palladium lower on the day, so you're seeing a little bit of price action there. But overall, somewhat muted price action after some selling pressure late last week with gold, again, back into that level where we started this month in anticipation of the data points and the Fed later this week.